Hello everyone, RT911 here, and today in this Farming Simulator 2019 tutorial, we're going to be looking at a tool that is essential for modders, and that is the development console. If you're looking into modding Farming Simulator 2019, you'll definitely want to have it enabled because there's plenty of different commands you can use to analyze your vehicle, and also an error log that can come in useful when you're trying to diagnose what is wrong with your mod to fix it. So, to break it down, it tells you errors, and basically helps you optimize your vehicle, as well as change some things within the game, such as depth of field and so on, which I'll have another video on that, depth of field, but for now we're just going to look at how to enable that development console. So, first thing you're going to want to do, just like Farming Simulator 2017, go to Documents, then go to My Games, that's where I am right now, My Games, Farming Simulator 2019, then you'll see this file called game.xml. Go ahead and open that with Notepad, or whatever text editing program you have. Notepad++ works too, but just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to use Notepad. Now, go to the bottom of that file, game.xml, and don't worry, you'll see a lot of code, but it's nothing that difficult. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Go to the bottom and you'll see here development, controls, development, so on and so forth. What you're going to do is just change the false between controls to a true. And there you go. You've successfully turned on the development console. We'll go on the game in a second here, and we'll see what that is enabled and how to use it. And one thing here, maybe you see this line above where it says logging. That would be your game log, which I'll have a short video on that as well, probably. But basically, you can see the same errors that you see in the development console in the error log. Okay, so we've got that changed, make sure it's saved. Now we're going to go in game and see how to use it. Alright everyone, so here we are. Now we're in game in Farming Simulator 2019. Now, to use the development console, it can be used on the main menu as well, or in game. It can be used either place as long as you've started the game. What you're going to press is the tilde key. That is the wavy line just above tab. Go ahead and press that. So on the very far left of your keyboard, near the top, tilde key, just above tab. Press that, and right away, you'll see this. This is the development console. It comes in very useful, as I know before, for diagnosing your mods and whatever problems there might be with them. So pressing it once, the tilde key, wavy line, brings up the console, then you press the tilde again, and you can now enter commands. Press tab, and you can cycle through different commands you can use. Now there's a whole bunch of different commands you can use. I'm not going to go into them in this video, but for instance, you can put gs set datetime, and then type in a number like 12, and I'll set the datetime to 12. So that's one of the things this console can be used for, but let's look at another quick one here, another quick way. So I'm trying to convert this mod I had in 17 to 19 right now. Now, problem is, when I go to buy it, it doesn't work. It says delivery space blocked. Alright, so I'm going to be working that out. But right now, that would be pretty hard to figure out. Now, I can do one of two things. I can either check the game log, as we've seen earlier, or we can, in-game, see the development console. So now we see we just tried to buy the vehicle. It shows us here the error why the vehicle failed to buy. It says unable to find vehicle type name, unknown type, and so on. Well, you can also scroll through the page up and page down. It's here's code and errors and so on, and you can see that above it has unknown specialization, all prerequisites are fulfilled. So that is something I'll have to work on to fix the mod. Now, perhaps in a later video, I'll go into some of these errors and how to fix them, but for now, we're just looking at how to use this tool and how you can see what is wrong with your mod. So yeah, that's it. you figured out how to use it, how to enable it, how to see in the game, how to use it in game, how to enter commands, all good stuff. So that's going to do it for this video, and stay tuned for more, particularly on disabling depth of field, for instance. If that's something you don't want, I'll have a video on that, as well as some other things relating to modding. Also, if you're interested in Farming Simulator 17 modding, I've got lots of videos on that, and a lot of the principles are the same. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good one.